Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I went out. Yeah, it's been weeks. I just wanted to go and have my COVID checked again because I had it checked on. I had the COVID on December the 25th. I had it tested on January the 8th, which came out positive. So another 2 week 10 days passed. So I said to well, no, 2 weeks actually. Yeah, it's been over 2 weeks. I'm getting confused with these dates. I think it's been over 10 days. So I went to have it checked again. And while I was out, because I was told that I can't go out for 2 weeks, 10 days, and I haven't been out. Well, I haven't been out since December 25th. Anyways, I had to drop to the Canada Post. And on my way, remember I was talking about these gorgeous yarn that I started a baby blanket? I'm going to do that tutorial soon. I just need to knit it all the way to the half part. This is gorgeous. It's 100% cotton. So I'm working on baby items with this yarn. It's super soft. It's like Prima, the Perry, from the Peru yarn. That's what it feels like. So I saw these at Dollarama. They're sold for $3 Canadian. Crocheters, knitters, just go to your local Dollarama. That's where I got these. So this time I found this color. They only had this color, one of the locations. So I grabbed it. I think they had 17 and I grabbed all of them. And it's super, super soft. It's a dream to work with. It knits up so nicely. I'm going to do that review, so that's coming up. It's, I believe it's a 4-weight. Yeah, here it is. It's a 4-weight. And it's telling you to use a 5mm knitting needle or a 5.5 crochet hook. Okay. And for the homeless, I'm knitting, but I don't know these. I found these yarn. They look, I think this color is different. See, I'm looking at the lot, but I grabbed whatever I found. So I think the two of them is different. And these are, again, from the Dollarama. These are $4. It's Lion brand wool spun for Canadian. It's made in Turkey. Okay, I'm just looking at the color. See, it says it's the same color. Even the lot matches. But can you see one is more darker and one is more grayish? So I don't know. Maybe that's why they're in Dollarama. But I have two, and then I have, well, I don't know, maybe because of the color change. And I grabbed these. These are bamboo. See, I looked at the pink. See how different they look? The dye are all same color, but when you look at it, this one's darker. So that's really odd. I don't know. See, they all match for some reason. Then I grabbed the two, so I'm gonna make a baby with a baby that can wear it. I'm into baby hats, so that's gonna come up pretty soon. Sorry, that's gonna come up pretty soon. And I found these baby yarn again. They're Bernat Softy. Yeah, I didn't say anything about these bamboo, Bernat bamboo. Sorry, I skipped it. It says it's a 5 bulky yarn. It's suggesting a 6mm crochet hook with a 6mm knitting needle. It says 86 viscose from bamboo, 12 acrylic, and 2 polyester. Polyester acrylic, I believe. Yeah. And these baby yarn, I paid $3.99 for both of them. And I can make hats or scarves. They're pretty soft. These are like Bernat Softy baby. Yeah. They're 3-weight. And it's asking you to use See, that's what I get a lot. Always check your label. It tells you to use a 4mm crochet hook or a 4mm knitting needle. And it depends on how you feel like you're working, you want to work with. Okay, and then let me just move this a bit here. Okay. So, if I can squeeze in here. Sorry about that. You saw my mess there. Everything is hanging. My bags, I hang them. Okay, so I bought these brown. There were about 5 balls, skeins I grabbed. Again, they're Lion Brand wool spun. This is a dream to work with, and it's bulky, so this would be perfect for the homeless, and it has a wool in it. So I would be making scarves and a scarf and a hat out of this yarn. So it says 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Yeah, and it's a 5 weight. So just 11. Can't even read it. So tiny. 6.5mm crochet hook or a 6.5 knitting needle. So these are super soft. These are all from Dollarama again. And then I found these beautiful purple. Look at this color. Well, this would be for a female. Again, I don't know. It depends on who likes what color, right? So it's the same. This is plum. And what was this? This is coffee. Nice. Coffee, plum. And this one was quarry print. Quarry print. I'm just going to grab, yeah, that one. The label is all over the place. See, this is the same. The lot is same, but the colors are different. I don't know. Okay, so as soon as I came home, the doorbell rang. Canada Post. My package came from Switlana. I usually put the label where I buy my yarn. See, some I can't put because they don't have a link. Like, I have to message them, they have to message me, and it takes days for them to reply and for me to pay them so I can have it mailed to me. So for some, I don't put links because there's no links. But for Switlana, she has an Instagram page that she sells her yarn. Okay? So if I don't have any links, please don't ask me because there's no links. So I'm going to open this package. Again, the package is ruined, it looks like. Let me just move my camera. Okay, so here's the package. This time I bought about 7 kilograms. So that's 7 times 2, about 14 pounds of yarn. And it says, apology from Canada Post Corporation customer. Dear customer, we sincerely regret that your mail item is damaged. It was found in the condition in the mail stream. Whichever that is, I don't have a clue. Okay, so I hope nothing is missing. This is the second time this from Switzerland it's arriving like this. So not happy. I hope there's no yarn missing. I don't even remember what I bought because it's been weeks, right? You forget, so I have to go and check it. But yeah, let me just open it and see. Okay. So let me just open and I'll be right back. When I look at the, this feels like it's wet. Oh my goodness. Oh, it is wet. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh boy. Yeah, it feels like it's paper. So I'm just, yeah, it's wet. I don't know know if you can see it. And then they put it in a plastic bag. Think about it. That's why they delivered it ASAP. Oh, mold. It will become moldy, right? If it stays for days, hopefully. I'm just smelling it. It doesn't smell. Thank God. Oh my goodness. I hope she bagged it inside. Yeah, so she's in Turkey, and then she posts her yarn on her Instagram page, and then I just message her and I tell her I want this, I want that. That's how I like. There's no link that you can go and buy it, unfortunately, but this comes way cheaper than for me. I think it. Oh, there's a beautiful red. Oh, they're wet. They're wet. They're wet. Oh my goodness. Look how it's coming into pieces. Look at this gorgeous red yarn. I can't pull it. It's wet. To put it under the heater so it can dry, right? I'm holding it as I'm cutting the box. I don't want, oh my god, the yarns are gorgeous. That's the thing, right? Oh, so it looks like it got wet. Can you see? But the inside, see? Thank God it's not. It looks like they dropped this in a pool or something, because some layers are dry, as you can see. Thank God. I'm always thinking about positive. I'm always. See, I try to work with cotton, natural yarn, like cotton, bamboo. So these, oh, I don't want to play around. It becomes doughy. Let me see if I can pull this. Let me try to open and I'll be back. Okay, please look at this gorgeous, gorgeous yarn. Oh, look at them. They're so soft. Okay, look at this. I think she gifted me this. I don't remember buying, but I remember definitely buying this. Oh, it's wet. I remember definitely buying this. Thank God they don't smell moist at all. But look at this rainbow color. I tried to aim for 4-weight. See? It has shine in it. Okay, I believe she gifted this as well, because I did not buy this. Oh, this color. Oh, no. This is soaked wet. This is soaked wet. It died. Can you see how it died? Oh. Yeah, it dyed this one as well. These are all bamboo. Like this red is bamboo as well. Oh. This one has gray in it too. Look. These are all, this is a light 3, I believe. But look at the color. It's just gorgeous. These red are all soaked. Here's another ball. I was planning to make a top for myself. Need to dry these. So there's 2 here. I think I bought a set that she put on sale. Yeah. These are wet. Look at this lovely color. See, the yarns are gorgeous, but I'm not happy with the packaging. At the beginning, she was packing in bags. Now they're all in, so I think she had about, oh, this is all wet. This is all wet. If I squeeze it, water is going to come out. Oh my goodness. I have to message her, yeah, because I was planning to order another order from her. Now I'm kind of hesitant. uh, this is mohair. I thought this was gazelle. Yeah, look at the color. It's gorgeous. Here's a purple. Really lovely color. Look at these. Look at these colors. So these have, I believe, merino wool and mohair, because mohair usually gives this fluffiness, this halo. Look at the color. So again, like these are all 3 weight, 4 weight. Here's another one. Okay, I'm just gonna empty this. Oh, I think here's a black one. I think I bought these in the lots that she was selling, and I grabbed it. So these are nice. Okay, that's all. It's I just have a little bit of red and the silver. It's all wet though. The box is wet. Look. Terrible. I hope you liked this short yarn unboxing. Happy knitting, happy crocheting.